In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Revolut Business Account. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. Click through to the official website, then head to the business section and select Create Account. This ensures you're setting up a business profile from the start and not a personal one. You'll be asked to choose your country. Make sure Revolut supports business accounts where you operate, as availability can vary by region. Confirm your selection and click Continue. Next, choose your legal business type. Pick the option that matches how your company is registered, such as a sole trader, limited company, partnership, or nonprofit. Select the correct one and hit Continue so the onboarding flow matches your structure. Enter your email address and click Continue. Check your inbox and authorize the login using the secure link sent to you. This confirms you have access to the email tied to the account. Now enter your phone number. Double check the country code so you receive the verification text. Click Continue, then enter the verification code you receive. Create a strong password you won't reuse elsewhere, store it securely, and click Continue. Provide your date of birth and press Continue. Then enter your residential address exactly as it appears on official documents to minimize verification delays, and continue. Search for your business's legal name. When you see the correct listing, select it and click Continue. You'll then add business details, the legal name, your company's house registration number if you're in the UK, and the date of incorporation. Ensure everything matches your official records. Accuracy here speeds up compliance checks. Click Continue. Enter your business address, including the city and postcode, and continue to the verification stage. You'll now verify your identity. Click Continue. Choose the type of ID you'll use, and follow the prompts to start recording the short verification video. Do this in a well-lit space, keep your document edges visible, and follow any on-screen instructions clearly and slowly. This Know Your Customer step is standard for financial institutions and helps keep your account secure. Once submitted, Revolut will review your application. This can be quick, but timelines vary if additional checks are needed. Keep an eye on your email in case they request supporting documents about your business activities, ownership, or address. After your account is verified, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, explore features, set up transfers, add team members, and connect tools. Before transacting, review your plan, currency accounts, and any limits, and complete any remaining profile sections to avoid interruptions.